Today, I'm going to show you how to disable advanced typography in Word quickly and easily. If you've noticed that certain fonts, spacing, or text behavior in Microsoft Word is not looking the way you want, this setting is often the reason. The good news is it only takes a few clicks to turn it off, and I'll walk you through the exact steps right now. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Word tips and computer tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can do this with any document, whether it's a blank file or one you're already working on. Once Word is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click File. This will take you into the main menu, where Word keeps all of its settings and preferences. From there, look down the list and click Options. This opens the Word Options window, which is where you can customize how Word behaves. In the Word Options panel, you'll see several categories on the left side. Click Advanced. This section contains a long list of settings for editing, display, and document formatting. Now scroll through the advanced settings until you find the typography-related option. Look for the checkbox that says Use Advanced Typography. If this box is checked, Word is using the Advanced Typography feature. To disable it, simply click the checkbox to uncheck it. Once it's turned off, Word will stop using that setting for your text formatting. After that, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. This is an important step because if you close the window without confirming, your change may not be applied. Once you've saved it, go back to your document and check the text again. In many cases, you'll notice the formatting behaves more consistently, or the special typography effects are no longer active. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can always return to the same File, Options, Advanced menu and check the box again. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully disabled advanced typography in Word. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to control how your document looks and feels. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Word feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.